Fingernails, do's and don'ts for healthy nails. Are you taking good care of your nails? Here's what you need to know to keep your fingernails in tip-top shape. Take a close look at your fingernails. Are they strong and healthy looking? Or does one see ridges, dents, or areas of bizarre color or shape? Many but desirable nail conditions are often avoided through proper fingernail care. Others might indicate an underlying condition that needs attention. Fingernails, what's normal, what's not? Your fingernails composed of laminated layers of a protein called keratin grow from the whorl at the bottom of the nail under your cuticle. Healthy fingernails are smooth, without pits or grooves. They're uniform in color and consistency and freed from spots or discoloration. Sometimes fingernails develop harmless vertical ridges that run from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. Vertical ridges tend to become more prominent with age. Fingernails also can develop white lines or spots thanks to injury, but these eventually grow out with the nail. Not all nail conditions are normal, however. Consult your doctor or dermatologist if you notice changes in nail color, like discoloration of the whole nail or a dark streak under the nail. Changes in nail shape, such as curled nails. Thinning or thickening of the nails. Separation of the nail from the surrounding skin. Bleeding around the nails. Swelling or pain around the nails. Failure of nails to grow out. Fingernail care, do's. To keep your fingernails looking their best. Keep fingernails dry and clean. This prevents bacteria from growing under your fingernails. Repeated or prolonged contact with water can contribute to separate fingernails. Wear cotton-lined rubber gloves when washing dishes, cleaning or using harsh chemicals. Practice good nail hygiene. Use a sharp manicure scissors or clippers. Trim your nails straight across, then around the tips during a gentle curve. Use moisturizer. When you use lotion, rub the lotion into your fingernails and cuticles, too. Apply a protective layer.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Applying a nail hardener might
activate
help
the liking
strengthen
bell,
nails.
and share.
Ask your doctor about biotin. Some research suggests that the nutritional supplement biotin might help strengthen weak or brittle fingernails. Fingernail care, don'ts. To prevent nail damage, don't bite your fingernails or pick at your cuticles. These habits can damage the nail bed. Even a minor cut alongside your fingernail can allow bacteria or fungi to enter and cause an infection. Pull off hangnails. You might rip live tissue alongside the hangnail. Instead, carefully clip off hangnails. Use harsh nail care products. Limit your use of nail polish remover. When using nail enamel remover, choose an acetone-free formula. Ignore problems. If you've got a nail problem that does not seem to travel away on its own or is related to other signs and symptoms, consult your doctor or dermatologist for an evaluation. A note about manicures and pedicures. If you believe manicures or pedicures for healthy-looking nails, keep a couple of things in mind. Stick to salons that display a current state license, and work only with technicians also licensed by the state board. Don't have your cuticles removed. They act to seal the skin to the nail plate, so removal can cause nail infection. Also, confirm your nail technician properly sterilizes all tools used during your procedure to stop the spread of infection. You might also ask how the foot baths are cleaned. Ideally, a bleach solution is employed between clients and therefore the filters are cleaned regularly. It's easy to neglect your nails, but taking some basic steps can keep your fingernails healthy and powerful.